I'ma do shit how I want. Oh yeah, I've been the music growing all them bitches wanna own it. Just sign your life away to make a couple. I'ma pass on that and keep on rocking in this square body ass tilted back. Cause you can't tell me shit, and all these boys can't tell me nothing. Cause I'm out here from the rut, while these other ones just bluff.
We got Hillbilly bottle flipping over here, let's go.
Brian look alike. I'm hanging out with crazy honkies who ride flat black motorbikes. What's up, man?